So we are on the jet ski, GTR 230, supercharged jet ski. What the hell's going on in the world? We're just getting too fast. All right, so I'm heading over to Cloak Island to meet them on the boat. They got a sweet little spot over there where it's always calm, basically. Basically, there's never any waves over there. It's a nice little spot to park and dive. And that's what they're doing. They're diving, looking at some fishies. So let's go meet them.
All right, I don't know if it can be seen right now, but when someone's diving, they put out a little red flag and they move it wherever they go. So right now, like right over there is the for where my stepdad, aunt, and uncle are diving. And the boat's just chilling over there with my stepbrother and sister-in-law on there. This is Cloak Island, though. It's just this little island, always calm. Isle Lamont's right over there. There they are. They came up. It's such a cool little spot to hang out. We're only going 10 miles an hour. We were going 20 before. Look at those waves. Look at the waves. Right in front of you. Yeah, ready? Enjoy the ride.
You know what? I'm just gonna sit down.
Branson's messing with him. Branson's messing with Dad.
I'll help you.
Oh, Daddy goes! In he goes!
Come on, Dave, even more fitting right in.
Right? Oh! He's pulling him off!
Oh, I was gonna say about time. No. She's liking it.
Yay!
That thing's waterproof?
Yeah. Well, you saw the video where it got completely sprayed.
Ready? Ready?
Keep that whole.
Stand up.
Yeah, if Brandon wants to tube, he said that when on our way back we can go tubing. George said on our way back we can go tubing. Now that he blew that up.
I want to go with him.
Okay, this one. Yeah.
Oh, maybe we should do one at a time because we have so many kids.
I mean, I got them. They'll be good for me. Wow. This little monster might not be.
But she's been with you most of the day, so she's not too bad.
No. It's the cuddling. It's the picking up. Picking up. It's the picking up.
Go on it.
You're good. They almost fell, huh? They almost went down. You need me to cover you up, Tom?